Hey guys, here's a simple illustration on how to cut this asymmetric neckline. I've gone ahead to mark my neck width and neck depth. I used 3.5 inches of neck width and the neck depth of 3 inches. And also I've gone ahead to mark my armhole and also came down by 1 inch. Remember, I placed my pattern paper on fold, so I'll be cutting out this 1 inch slant and also the armhole. Then after cutting it, I'll just show you guys that this is on fold. Please, if you're doing asymmetric neckline, make sure your material is on fold or your pattern paper is on fold. Then I'll mark my chest line of 8 inches and connect. So after connecting, on the left hand side of the shoulder, I'll go in by 0.75 inches. Then for the arm side, that is at the chest line, I went in by 2.5. You can do 3 inches, depends on you. So I came down also by 1.5 inches on the shoulder of the left hand side also. Then I make a slant curve, just a slight curve, and also use my ruler to make a slight curve to make the chest line. You understand? You can use your freehand method to draw this, depends on you, but I'm trying to make this line bold so you guys can see it. Then on the right hand side of the shoulder, because this one does not have, this side does not have a sleeve, I decided to go in by half of an inch and also connect it like this. So you can just go in by half of an inch again from the shoulder. It depends on you. Then from there, I'm trying to do my tightening so that the dress can be firm on my neck. So if you're not doing your contouring, like 25% contour, if you're using this method, please make sure you do your tightening, like half of an inch tightening on both sides of your shoulder. Then after that, I try to draft my collar, sorry, my cape. So I'm using 3 inches, 2.5, and also 2 inches. So because the cape goes inside the armhole side, I use 3 inches. They are the midpoint of my at the middle of my the front. I use 2.5. Then at the shoulder, I use 2 inches. So here I'm connecting the marks that I the lines that I marked and connecting it together just as you're seeing on your screen. Then after connecting, I'm trying to make sure the cape comes out nice. So after connecting, next thing I'll be doing now is to close the tightening. So just close the tightening, but before then, make sure you have your tracing wheel. If you don't have your tracing wheel, what you're going to do, just close your tightening and cut it. And when you cut it, when you're sewing it, you measure what you have there, place your material on fold, and that you place your material on bias fold, yeah, bias fold, then you cut it. So yeah, I'm trying to close my trying to close the tightening I did, and also to blend the lines together. So by the time you close the tightening, the lines will not be equal, so you have to blend, make sure you blend the lines together just as you're seeing on the screen. Then after blending the lines together, I'll take my tracing wheel and trace the cape, and I'll come back to show you guys how it is. So this is me just explaining to you guys how you're going to do it. So this is it. I've already traced the cape. That's for those of us that will be drafting our cape on the pattern. So I've traced the cape down. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to cut the neckline. So this is it, the neckline. So I'll just use my pin to pin it on the pattern paper, so to show you guys the end result of it. I'm not sewing it, I'm just trying to show you how this pattern will come out if if after drafting it like this and you cutting it on your fabric. So this is how it will come out at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand. If there's any question, please do where to put it on the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. Don't forget to cut out the half of an inch that went in at the right hand side of the shoulder. Thanks for watching.